Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, and this is Green. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. Unfortunately, this is my last box. It is $10 a month, and it includes 5 sample size products. And we're actually out here at the airport in the top of the parking lot. I'll go ahead and include the clip of the view of the mountains in the background. But let's go ahead and get started. Here's the card that it comes with. It has a list of all the products and the retail values on the back. The very first thing I see in here is by William Schumann, European Skincare. This is a hydrating collagen eye pads. Full size retails for $18. Excuse me, it says these pads are infused with pure collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump the delicate under eye area. To use, place one under each eye and leave on for 20 minutes. The next thing is by Glove. This is a quick treat. Full size retails for $3.99. It says slide this mini microfiber glove onto your finger to remove or touch up your lipstick or eyeshadow. It works with just water. Simply wet the glove and target a specific area. There's what it looks like on the back. The next thing in here is by Benefit Cosmetics, the Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in the shade 5 Deep. Full size retails for $24. This tinted brow gel, water's resistant formula, fills in sparse spots for natural looking fullness. Using short strokes, gently apply the precision tip from the inner edge outward. I do apologize for the planes in the background. I thought this would be a good place to shoot. It is a little bit chilly out today. It's about 26 degrees. The next thing in here is by Doce. This is the Luscious Lips Satin Holiday Getaway. Full size retails for $28. This pigmented peach lip stain dries fast so it won't transfer onto anything, and its matte finish lasts for hours. And this looks like the Pantone color of the year. Really beautiful. There's a plane coming in right over there. Let's see if you guys can see it or not. Maybe not. Okay, anyways, the very last item in here, again I do apologize, is by Marcel. Extension Plus Skyline Mascara. This full size retails for $15. This clump-free mascara's ultra skinny brush helps to curl and lift every lash while adding length and definition for a wide-eyed appearance. So that's it for my Birchbox unboxing. I guess this video was kind of a flop. I wasn't really anticipating all the noise. I did shoot my Ipsy video at the park not too far down the street, and there was other patrons visiting with loud music in their car, so that kind of distracted me from shooting my video. But thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. And we hope to see you in the next one.